This is an introduction to Prepress, Tutorial 1, and it includes software and understanding PDF standards. The definition for Prepress is a printing term for the activities that occur after a commercial printer receives an order and corresponding graphics file from the client or graphic designer, but before actual printing takes place. The objective of the Prepress operator is to ensure that a print job is successful by comparing the job ticket to the artwork, flagging and communicating discrepancies, and being knowledgeable enough to do the relevant checks, changes, and fix-ups required. In order to do the relevant checks and fixes, the Prepress operator uses the following programs as tools to complete the process. Acrobat. Acrobat is a program that allows one to capture a document and view it in its original format and appearance. One can view, create, manipulate, print, and manage files in portable document format. Pitstop. Pitstop is our core product for PDF quality control, auto-correction, and limited manual editing. Pitstop allows us to check artwork size, color separations, image quality, set trim and bleed boxes, and flatten transparencies and layers, but to name a few. Pitstop is a plugin for Acrobat. Adobe InDesign is a desktop publishing and typesetting software. It is mostly used in Prepress to make up perfect bind covers, case bind covers, and to generate variable data. Photoshop is a photo editing and image creation software. The Prepress operator uses the software to alter a variety of aspects on images, including levels, curves, brightness, and contrasts. Illustrator is a full-featured vector-based program and provides sophisticated tracing. Illustrator allows you to create finishing artwork like die lines, spot UV screens, and foiling traces, as well as converting logos or images to vector with different tracing options. It is important to note that InDesign should be used for layouts, Photoshop should be used for image editing, and Illustrator should be used for vector creation. CorelDRAW is much like Illustrator and is also vector-based. Because we have Illustrator at our disposal, we only use CorelDRAW when clients apply CorelDRAW open files to convert it to PDF and to generate barcodes. Acrobat Distiller is a software application converting documents from PostScript format to Adobe PDF. Distilling is primarily used to include more information in the file for RIP engines to process. Kodak Prenergy. The Kodak Prenergy workflow system is a PDF-based printing workflow management tool that organizes prepress, plate production, and digital press output. The Prenergy system manages tasks such as file optimization, trapping, color management, proofing, color matching, imposition, archiving, filmmaking, plate making, and digital print document management for increased process control and productivity. Understanding PDF standards. PDF stands for Portable Document Format, used to display documents in an electronic form independent of the software, hardware, or operating systems that they are viewed on. There are a total of 8 PDF standards, 6 are ISO standards, and 2 are from other organizations. Let's take a look at the ISO PDF standards. Standard PDF is made for in-office use. This general PDF standard is sufficient for in-office use, sharing and viewing online, and is for standard quality documents. PDF-A is for archivists, record managers, and compliance managers. It's developed for long-term file storage. It has restricted features including JavaScript, audio and video content, and encryption. They may prohibit users from opening and viewing accurately in the future. PDF-E is for architects, engineers, construction professionals, and manufacturing product teams. It's developed for large format drawings, multimedia form fields, and rights management. PDF-UA is for people with disability, IT managers, commercial enterprises, and compliance managers. It enhances the readability for people with disabilities. AU stands for Universal Access. This standard will work with assistive technology. PDF-X is for print professionals, graphic designers, and creative professionals. provides us with high quality, professional grade documents can be expected when using this standard. It will ensure that documents are print ready by correctly embedding fonts, images, color profiles, and more. PDF VT is also for print professionals. It's based on the component of the PDFX standard, allowing some features such as color profiles, layers, and transparencies to be maintained. The biggest addition is the ability to customize data within these files, such as bank statements, business invoices, or personalized marketing material. Let's take a closer look at the job option settings when converting files to PDF. Press quality. Minimal image compression. Fonts must be successfully embedded or the job will fail. High quality. Minimal image compression as well. If fonts cannot be embedded successfully, Acrobat will warn you but continues to create the PDF. PDF X1A is typically used for ads, reduces variables to ensure reliable printing. PDF X3, similar to PDF X1A but supports a color managed workflow and some RGB images. PDF X4, similar to PDF X3 but supports live transparencies. Then finally, smallest file size. It's a very aggressive image compression, creates a small file with enough pixel data to look good on screen but will not be acceptable for print, and fonts are not embedded by default. And that concludes the introduction to Prepress.